Hello, fourth Corps. I am gone today for a track meet. Let me go over what you're going to be working on today. In Schoology, in the Week 11 folder, right here on Wednesday, there's the Lesson 28 video activity. You can either click on it through here, or you can go through TCI, and it should be on your dashboard in your assignments. When you come through it, what I recommend doing, click that so it goes full screen, and you just follow the directions like we have normally done on video activities. Use the navigation bars at the bottom, watch the video, make sure you read all the directions, watch videos and answer questions about the Byzantine Empire. When it says to read, you're going to read the introduction and section 1, then you'll follow the directions, answer the question on the video activity, but you must also answer the questions in your workbook. You'll start on page 264 with section 1. You don't need to do the preview activity. So you'll read the introduction in section 1, and then answer the questions for section 1 on page 264. Make sure you also answer the questions that pop up on here, and make sure you hit the submit button. Watch this next video. Read section 2. Answer any of the questions that it has on here. Make sure you scroll down and hit the submit button. And then for that one, you'll answer the questions on page 265 for section 2. And as I move on, I've got another video. I'll watch that video. Read sections 3 and 4. Answer this question. Answer the questions in your workbook. So then it's time to complete your walking tour of Constantinople. Follow the directions. It says you'll click on a map or site on the map, read the primary source connected to it, answer the question, return to the map for the remaining locations. So I pick a location. So I'll just start here with number 1. Look carefully at it. Okay, I can answer the question. Make sure I hit submit. Return to the map. Go to number 2. I'll do the same thing. Make sure there's no additional questions. Answer it. Return to the map. And finally, when you get all the way around to 8, you answer the question. I can return to the map. Then I can go down here to the wrap-up activity. This will be the last little bit. Make sure you answer the question. Take these, put them where they need to go. Hit submit. And then make sure you click the turn in button. If you do get finished with all of this for the lesson 28 video activity, what you can do is you can go back to Schoology, and I have put the lesson 27 video activity on there as well. This is the first lesson that you need to work on today. If you finish this one, then you can go back and do the lesson 27 video activity. But that one, you only have to do the questions that are on the computer. Lesson 28, you must do the questions from the computer and fill out your workbook. You need to please sit in your own seat. The seating chart will be there for the sub. If there's any issues, and I always tell my subs, any issues, call the office, have somebody come get that person, and they will be written a level 2. If you get in trouble with a sub, it is an automatic level 2. Please make sure you have your work completed. If you don't get it finished, you can take it home, finish it overnight. I'll be checking these probably on Thursday afternoon, maybe into Friday when we don't have school.